So it looks like iOS 18.4.1, the latest update that just came out, does have a few issues up its sleeves, which is totally okay. Things like this end up happening. So number one, the big thing to keep in mind here is that within iOS 18.4.1, from what we're seeing, there does seem to be kind of this situation where people are still experiencing some, issues when it comes down to their keyboards. It looks like when people are going through and they're getting these types of updates, it looks like for their keyboards, when people are going through and having their stickers on or off on their keyboard, it looks like their stickers option is going to be always on and their stickers are still showing even if they have the stickers option off. So that is kind of an interesting thing that just came out. It looks like that is an issue that was kind of happening. So that in and of itself was another really interesting thing. On top of that, it looks like some people are also still stating that CarPlay is still giving them issues. So it looks like from what I'm seeing and from what people are stating, CarPlay, when you're connecting your phone to CarPlay, people are still experiencing some issues here and there within Apple CarPlay, which is actually pretty insane. So that right there is something that's very interesting because this update actually stated that it was fixing CarPlay. So the fact that it still hasn't done that is very surprising to me. I think that is in and of itself a very surprising thing in and of itself. So I guess we're just going to have to wait and see what happens in the next couple of updates, but that right there was another very surprising thing. Also, it looks like HomeKit is still giving some really interesting issues to people. It looks like there's some poor image quality when going through and using, HomeKit. So that in and of itself is another interesting thing. On top of that, it still looks like for some people for their iPhone 16s, they still have some sort of pink flashing bug with stock wallpaper issue. So it looks like that's a problem that some people are experiencing as well. And then there's going to be the usual battery drain and, issues like that kind of pertain and kind of happen too. So it's going to be really interesting to see what ends up happening here. But for the most part, those are the main issues right now that we're seeing within iOS 18.4.1. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.